So welcome back guys. In this fourth video, we are going to discuss 10 other MCQs from the paper from MCQ number 31 to MCQ number 40. So basically these questions are not related to mathematics. They are like general questions, but since they are part of the exam, so I'm going to discuss those. Since those are not so much technical, so it won't take us like so much time to do these all the 10 questions. So the first one is, what is the synonym of acrimonious? Acrimonious means something that is bitter. So we have very first option, which is correct option, bitter, since all other options are not related to bitter. The second option is cheap, which is not obviously bitter. Expensive, C, and D is momentary. Momentary means for time being. So the correct option is option A. And the next MCQ is antonym of average. So here we have to give the opposite word, means antonym. Average means shorten, to make something short. But we have to give something which is opposite to this one. It means we have to make something bigger, we have to extend something, we have to make something larger. And the correct option seems to be A, because extend means to enlarge something, to make the size of something bigger. Option B is easy, which is not the correct option, since it is something which is not going to be related to extension. Shorten is going to be the synonym of average. We have to find out the antonym, and street is either the street or you are going to move towards some sort of a street, so it's not going to be our correct option. MCQ number 33 is, I think, not related to English, but this is related to general science. It says that one that lives on another. So if there is one animal, one insect that lives on some other insect, we call that insect to be a parasite. So this is simply the definition. So I'm not going to move towards something else. So it's neither independent nor eligible. It's neither mercenary. I think mercenary is related to money. So it's not going to be our option. Since this is a definition, one thing that lives on something else is called parasite in the sense of general science. So correct option is C. MCQ 34 is, we have to substitute the correct preposition, and the verb is exceed. My friend will exceed dash my wishes in this matter. So exceed always takes to. So correct option is to. Like in these MCQs only, we have to see that, okay, what is going to be the right thing? And this comes with more and more reading. When you read more and more, you will get the idea that, okay, what preposition is suitable here. Like it doesn't come with memorization. You take a book, you start memorizing. It's not the right way, I think. So MCQ number 35 is very simple. I think we have applied some sort of concept in English that is called parallelism. So one thing is that my bike, which dash was brought back. This is past. So I think it should be my bike, which was stolen. So the correct option is either A or D, because in both of these options, the first blank is was stolen. Only when a 20-pound reward, so it should be the same tense, like was stolen, was offered. You can see in this is it's was stolen, and the another verb is like perfect tense, has offered. So like the tense of both of these blanks should be same, because the things are happening simultaneously. So you have to be careful in this one that, okay, The tense of both of these blanks should be same because both of things are happening simultaneously. When you offer award or reward, you get something back. So when you do something, then something happens. So something is related to another thing. So the correct option for this one is A. Or there are no hard and fast rules in English. So when you read a lot, you will come to the point that, okay, what's going to be the correct option? Or I'm going to give you a reference at the end. Okay, what is a good book to do these all the things? So I think in this MCQ number 36, only we have to choose the correct spelling. And spelling also comes with more and more reading. There are some phonetic rules that one needs to remember or learn, but I think for mathematics graduate, these things are not important. So when you read more and more, you will get an idea that, okay, what's going to be the correct spelling for some word. So the correct spelling is B, environment, and rest of the spellings are not correct. MCQ number 37, choose the correct spelling. So it's option A, eliminate. So it's option A, eliminate. MCQ number 38, castles in the air. Castles in the air means that, okay, you have some sort of ideas which are not real. Only you have something in your imagination. So the correct option seems to be C, which says visionary projects. Visionary means they are in your vision, they are not real. So building castles in the air means you have something in your vision, you have something in your mind, but it's not real. But I think rest of the options are not related to that one. So we are not supposed to go for that. Option A is romantic, not related. Ideal means like very good and very suitable. And fanciful, no. Schemes, so this is not our option. So MCQ number 39 is synonym of succinct. Succinct means like brief, short. So we have to find out the similar meaning word, which is going to be concise, option C. Because first option is tranquil, which means pacify or calm. Ratify is something related to, I think, correction, but it's not going to be our correct option. So concise means short or brief. And succinct also means short or brief. So our correct option is C. So the last MCQ in this one is MCQ number 40, which is like we have to find out, we have to tell what's going to be the antonym of pernicious. And pernicious means something that is harmful. So we have to tell a word which means something that is not harmful. If something is not harmful, it means something is beneficial. It's giving you some sort of benefits. So the correct option seems to be beneficial. And option A or option B or option D are not related to that. But simply if you know the meaning of the word pernicious, which is harmful, you can right away say that, okay, what is going to be the correct option? So like these are 10 MCQs, which are like, except one MCQ, all the 9 MCQs are related to English. And maybe the rest one is also related to English, but okay, you can take it to everyday science. So like the good thing to learn these things is to read more and more. This is what I believe. When you read more and more, any newspaper, any novel in English, you watch movies in English, this is going to be helpful for you. The second thing is, if you don't have time for those things, you are going to prepare for an exam and you have only 10 days or 20 days or 30 days or maybe 2 months. So the good thing is that to go through some book which is short and concise. So one book is Brush Up Your English. I think it's by Steamon and it's easily available in market. You can go for this book. This is really nice book if you are going to appear in some sort of test which involves some maybe 10, 20, or 30 questions related to language English. Either those are tests by SPSC or STS Sakaraibi University. You will be finding this book very helpful, and it is easily available in market, maybe in 500 rupees. Okay, so see you next time, and next time it would be maybe last video for this series, and then I'll be discussing something else. So have a nice day.